Hi, y'all. What's up, guys? Happy 4th of July to everybody out there in the US of A. I've been online today. I chatted with a few of my subscribers.
The point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And most of you guys seem to be having really good 4th of Julys. I woke up this morning. It was raining. In fact, we had this little funky drizzle almost all day today. And right around noon, it finally stopped raining and cleared up.
Take off.
So I didn't get to do any daytime flying, guys. It's just about dusk here in my neighborhood. Right now, I'm gonna go up and just do some camera samples, guys. This is the Phantom 3 Pro, and I haven't had it out in a while. It's not dark yet, so what I'm gonna do right now is just a quick warm-up flight. I'm not recording on board right now, guys. This is just a screen recording on the tablet. It's pretty flat around here, so later tonight we should be able to catch the fireworks from downtown Moncks Corner. Moncks Corner not that big. It's only it's only about 5 miles, 7-mile radius. There's my little subdivision. As we pan around here, that big field of white lights is that Chevy dealership right next to the field where I fly at. Let me take her up a little bit, give her some altitude. You might be able to hear some of the sounds of the fireworks in the background. These guys are not waiting for it to get dark. They're cranking it up already. Phantom 3 Professional from my front yard back to my test field and see if maybe somebody's over there shooting fireworks in that area. photography, I'm not a photographer. I'm a pilot. I love my Phantoms because they just take gorgeous videos no matter how bad I screw it up. Some of my neighbors are getting warmed up, just like me. They're getting warmed up, I'm getting warmed up. I have obtained permission for today, guys, so later tonight we'll shoot some live video of the fireworks in my neighborhood. It's gonna be pitch black because we have an overcast sky today, but that don't stop these fools from blowing it up around here. All right, we'll be right back.